So the next thing I'm going to do to make sure that I'm successful in class is to download the data files that are necessary for our practice, for our homework assignments, and for learning in general the processes and procedures of R and obviously of statistical analyses. To do that, I'm going to Google discovering statistics using R, and that's already an autocomplete for me because I've already looked for it. I'm going to find the page, which is by Sage Pub. I'm going to click on that page, and then I'm going to go to the student resources. When I click on the student resources, I'm going to see the data files right here in the menu. I'm going to click on that. Now I can download each one of these individually, but I don't want to do that because I want to download the whole entire set of files. So I'm going to click on this. That is now downloading the necessary files. They have been downloaded. They are zipped. Here they are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to simply pull them out of that zip folder. And now they have been copied onto my desktop. I'm going to call this now rename to class files for R. Now I simply made that name up. I'm going to set this folder out here to the side. I'm going to double click on it, open it, and here I can see that I have a total of 99 items that we may be using for class. You will notice that we have some that are straight up DAT files. DAT is the extension that R saves its files in. So all these are R files, saved documents. You also have depression. This file has actually been saved in a Microsoft Excel comma separated value file, or CSV file. So you can open this one up and you can see it. You can't necessarily open these files up without going through R. So make sure that you've downloaded this and you have this on your computer ready to use. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to R and I'm going to say properties. Now I'm on RStudio, beware, properties, and I'm going to say start in. Where do I want to start? I want to make sure that I'm starting where my class files are at. So I'm going to copy this address here by simply clicking on it, right click, copy the address, come back over here and start in paste, apply, and OK. And all that has done is it has told RStudio that that is going to be my working directory. I can open RStudio now. And when I open RStudio, I can see that all my data files are here because it opened up in that folder that's entitled Class Files for R. I'm going to close this up, and that is the next thing that you wish to do in this class if you want to be successful. Download the data files from Sage Publishing, Discovering Statistics Using R, and set your working directory by clicking on, sorry, don't open it, right-clicking on R or going to Properties in R and setting your start in to be the address where your files are at. I'm going to click OK, and that's the end of that.